Why, hello, Thanksgiving homemakers. That's the Thanksgiving fairy wave of magic. I've spent too much time on my romance novel streaming series editing, but this just made me feel more magical. 5 bonus biscuit points if you get that joke, because you've only got it if you've actually watched the series, which is only available on the fans page. It's so much fun. I love it. But today we are going to do the Thanksgiving tag for homemakers. And I love this. I love Thanksgiving. I know a lot of people don't celebrate Thanksgiving because, you know, all sorts of reasons, and they get offended. I'm not offended by it. Probably makes me the problem, but I'm okay with being the problem because it's pumpkin pie and it's turkey and it's gravy and I'm like, yum, yum, yum. So I like Thanksgiving. If you don't like Thanksgiving, I totally respect that. Click away, watch the next video. It probably won't be Thanksgiving themed. You'll be good. If you feel triggered, don't need to tell me in the comments. I'm good. Okay, we're gonna start. Do you shop Black Friday sales? Oh my goodness. So biscuits, no, for years I have not. Like, I haven't shopped Black Friday sales in years. I remember when I did, and it was great fun. It was like, oh, it's part of American tradition. This year, I think, shockingly, I am. I have a couple things I need to buy, and I'm really trying to budget. So I was like, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna try to buy them on Black Friday and see if I can get a good deal. And it may be silly, and it may, like, I may not actually save anything, and I may have just been waiting all this time to do it, but so I am actually gonna shop on Black Friday, which is shockingly unlike me, but I want to buy some things, and I really want to save as much as I can on them, so I'm hoping Black Friday is a good sales day. I don't know if it really is. I feel like sometimes it's a little deceptive, but yes. Normally, no. Normally, I'm not a Black Friday shopper. Normally, I like to spend the long weekend of Thanksgiving of just, you know, spending time with family and enjoying that. But I do have some purchases I need to make, so I probably need to, like, start researching them now so I know exactly what I'm looking for. But that takes so much brain power. I will do it. I shall do it, biscuits. Yes. Okay, Thanksgiving dinner at your houses or families? I mean, okay, I like to determine the Thanksgiving menu because I live in a world that has a family full of lactose intolerance and gluten intolerance and FODMAP diets and veganism and vegetarianism, and if I go to their house, it's not going to be the food that I want. So I'm going to say my house because I'm wanting the good tasty food, but I like going to my relative's house because they enjoy hosting. Okay, do they? Probably not, but they enjoy the concept of it. I think I probably like hosting family events the most out of my whole family because since I was a kid, I've just loved doing parties and hosting and homemaking. Like, that's just, as cliched as it is, I'm a 1950s housewife in my heart, and I love doing that kind of stuff. So my house, by far, for Thanksgiving in particular, because I want to be able to determine the food, and I won't get I'm very picky about food, and I won't get the food I want if I go to a relative's house. So I have gone. I think last year I went to a relative's house for Thanksgiving. I think so. But this year I'm going to, like, have a big holiday party with all of my family members. We're going to do, like, a big mega Thanksgiving. It's going to be epic, and I want to make it memorable and fabulous because hosting brings my heart joy, and I want to share joy with others because it makes me happy. Do you do all the cooking at Thanksgiving? No, I don't think if you're hosting you should be doing that at all. This year I'm going to make most of the food, but I'm going to ask the relatives what they would all like to bring, because they all have dietary requirements that are really persnickety, and yeah, so I don't think you should have to cook all the food. I think it's fun to cook a lot of the food, and it depends on your spare time. Like, when I had a newborn, I did not cook Thanksgiving dinner at all because I gave myself that grace. This year, I don't think I'm going to go, like, epically complex with Thanksgiving dinner. I'm just going to kind of do classic tasty foods, and then I'm going to have relatives bring dishes, potluck style. I would say that's more important if you have a family with a lot of dietary restrictions, because I will not cook for everybody's dietary restrictions. I won't do that. It's too much work. I've tried before, and I've absolutely, like, cooked myself to the bone of working so hard, and then people barely eat it, right? Because it's not the food they want. So if there's dietary restrictions, I'm like, I'm willing to accommodate within reason, but at Thanksgiving, I'm like, bring the stuff. If something's going to kill you that I'm making, bring your own version. Because, yes, too many requirements. Oh my God. I think I'm going to have to cook a tofurkey this year because of the vegetarians. I don't know if I'm looking forward to that. Oh, tell me in the comments, Biscuits, are you doing a turkey this year? Or are you doing a ham? Or are you doing a chicken? I love making turkey, but it's too big, I think. There's not enough people in my family that eat turkey. It's like me, my kids, maybe one of my brothers will eat turkey, but like everybody else is vegan or vegetarian. And so I just don't think I can get through a whole turkey. So maybe I'll just roast us a little chicken, which isn't the same as a turkey. I love the idea of turkey, but I feel like, yeah, I need an extended group of people who will eat turkey. Okay, wait. Do you do all the cooking? Oh, I answered that. Stuffing or gravy? Okay. Years past, I would have said stuffing. I would have been like, stuffing's the bum diggity. But I gotta say, gravy has won a place in my cold, dark heart. It has. I love gravy. Because gravy you can put on top of the turkey, on top of the mashed taters. Dip some tasty stuff in there. Maybe on some roast veggies. So I'm gonna say gravy. I know, controversial. What would you Biscuits pick? Would you do, like, if you could only have one, gravy or stuffing? I'm gonna say gravy. I know. And stuffing I'm gonna count as also dressing, because I know that us West Coasters call everything stuffing, but stuffing or dressing, one thing. Gravy. If you could only have one of those, what would it be? And for me, it would be the bomb diggity sweet nectar. Delicious fatty gravy. Okay, do you deep clean before family comes over or not? In years past, I would have deep cleaned like a maniac. But can I just say that this year I'm all about fudge sticks to that. You're gonna judge me on my dirty house. If my house is messy, that's because I live in it. So come on over, I swept the floor. Nobody's butt has touched the table since I wiped it down. You're good to go. So no, I will not deep clean it anymore. I am trying to be better about keeping my house organized, which has been really helpful since this move. But I don't think I'm gonna drive myself crazy like scrubbing baseboards, which I've done in years past, because honestly, my family will find something to critique about my house and then tell me multiple times, no matter how tidy it is. So yeah, I would go with just only invite people over to your Thanksgiving dinner who are gonna be nice to you. Because I edited our family text chain for Thanksgiving to only include certain people, and put it that way. Because life is too short, I don't have time for rude people. Leftovers all weekend, or make new dinners. Oh wait, I was looking for a woman with extra free time to make dinners. Oh no, it's just me? Leftovers! Yeah, Biscuits. All the leftovers. I mean, Saturday night is when you run out of leftovers, generally, for my family, and we're like, oh man, we have to cook on Sunday! Who's having a butter sandwich? That's what you're having for Sunday. Butter sandwich and tea, it's all you get. I'll cook on Monday. Yeah, I like it because, you know, it's a unique Americana thing of like, you just eat this random same food again and again all weekend. I enjoy it. Yeah, ooh, leftover yams with heated up gravy and a little chunk of turkey. Maybe I have to bake a turkey this year, Biscuits. I really want some turkey. I just need somebody that sells smaller turkeys. Next year, maybe I'll grow my own turkey, and maybe I'll buy like a small turkey to raise. Yes. Okay, I'm really looking forward to Thanksgiving now that we've chatted, Biscuits, because I'm like, this sounds delicious. Why am I not partaking in Thanksgiving food already? I saw cranberry sauce at the store, and I was like, maybe I'll add some cranberry sauce. I think I am going to try to go fancy with my stuffing / dressing this year. Maybe. Do I care? I'm at such a place in life, and it's very freeing, Biscuits. I think it's pure exhaustion that's brought me to it, of just like not giving a fluff anymore. Not of what's supposed to be or should be, just what is and what makes for a happy family. And that is like my focus right now. And it is both freeing and slightly confusing that I feel this way, because it's so liberating. I'm like, oh, is this normal? Wait, oh, carefree? Happiness? Not anxious? Are you sure? Okay. So I love Thanksgiving topics of Biscuits, so let me know, should we do like more holiday videos? Oh, I don't know. How do you Biscuits feel about a holiday fashion inspo haul on here? I don't know. I feel like it might be fun, but you let me know. Let me know if you'd like a fashion haul. Would you like some gift haul ideas? What would you like to see in December, so that I can start planning it out now? Because I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll see what it is. Tell me in the comments. Let me know. Yeah. In the meantime, I will see you over on Patreon, because ooh, those new fabulous experience tiers. Oh yeah, they're fun. See you around, Biscuit.